The love behind the stale bread. In a small, quiet village nestled among rolling hills, lived a boy named Alaric. His family was simple and hardworking, but life was never easy for them. Alaric's parents had passed away when he was very young, and his mother fought tirelessly to keep the family together. Money was always scarce, and many days their table held nothing more than dry, stale bread and water. But behind that humble bread lay a well of endless love, patience, and unity. Alaric's mother, Marin, was a woman of great warmth and unwavering strength. Each morning, she would carefully divide the scant bread into portions, spreading a little butter or oil when she could afford it. Though simple, these small acts transformed their meals into symbols of love and care. Marin's hands stitched their family's broken pieces into a bond stronger than any hardship. Every day brought new challenges. The lack of money and food made life difficult, and illness occasionally visited their small home. Yet, through it all, the family's love and determination never wavered. Around their modest table, they shared not only food but hope, kindness, and unwavering support. One harsh year, the village faced a severe drought. Crops failed, and food supplies dwindled. Many families suffered greatly. That Alaric's family, bound by love and mutual trust, endured the crisis together. The stale bread they shared was more than just sustenance, it was a reminder of their resilience and hope. There were moments when Alaric felt weak and overwhelmed, that the love behind the stale bread gave him strength. He realized that true power was not wealth or comfort, but patience, unity, and enduring love. These were the forces that held his family together. Determined to improve his life, Alaric dedicated himself to his studies. Late into many nights, in the small room he shared with his brother Eamon, he pored over books, fueled by hope and the memory of his mother's sacrifices. He believed that after every hardship, there is light. Along his journey, Alaric found friends who lifted him up and shared his dreams. Their kindness and encouragement helped him face the hardest days. He learned that love and support from others can be as nourishing as food itself. Alaric cherished every small success, an excellent grade, a new friendship, a kind word. Each step forward was a victory born from the love and patience symbolized by the stale bread on his family's table. Alaric's struggle was not just for himself, but for his family. He wanted to repay Marin's endless love and sacrifices. Their bond was his greatest inspiration and his greatest strength. Through his journey, Alaric learned, true wealth is family and love, not material possessions. Patience and unity can overcome the toughest hardships. Even the simplest things, like stale bread, carry deep meaning when shared with love. Hope and love guide us through the darkest times. Eventually, Alaric achieved his goals and improved his family's life. He began helping others, sharing his story of perseverance and love. He showed that behind even the simplest bread lies great strength and love. Alaric now tells others, never underestimate the love behind the simplest things. It is life's greatest weapon and treasure. Learn to cry when you must, but always find the strength to stand again.